Top 6 habits you should do every morning if you have diabetes. Many people with diabetes often wonder how they can best manage their condition and maintain good health. There are many things that we can do to help prevent complications from diabetes, such as eating healthy, exercising regularly, and monitoring our blood sugar levels. But did you know that there are also some simple habits that you can develop to help manage your diabetes? In today's video, we will discuss 6 habits that you should try to do every morning if you have been diagnosed with diabetes. Testing your urine for ketones is an important step in managing diabetes, especially if you're following a low-carb diet. Getting some sunlight in the morning can be beneficial for people with diabetes. Drinking water in the morning can help kickstart your metabolism and aid in blood sugar control, both of which are essential for managing diabetes. Water is vital for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels as it helps to transport glucose from the bloodstream to the cells, where it can be used for energy. Checking your feet daily for any signs of injury, measuring your blood sugar and urine ketone levels, getting some sunlight, drinking enough water, and eating a healthy breakfast are all important steps towards living well with diabetes. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can help keep your blood sugar levels in check, prevent complications, and improve your overall quality of life. Remember, managing diabetes is a lifelong journey that requires dedication and consistency. But by making small changes and sticking to a healthy routine, you can live a happy and fulfilling life with diabetes. Thank you for watching today's video. Please subscribe and support us. Stay healthy. Additionally, drinking water can help prevent dehydration, which can worsen the effects of diabetes and lead to complications such as kidney disease. Research has also shown that drinking water can help improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to regulate blood sugar throughout the day. One study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that drinking a glass of water increased insulin sensitivity by up to 30%. Another study published in Diabetes Care discovered that drinking water before meals can help improve glycemic control in people with type 2 diabetes. While it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day, it's particularly beneficial to start your day with a glass of water to help set the tone for healthy habits and better blood sugar management. Exposure to sunlight helps the body produce vitamin D, which has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Eating breakfast can help stabilize blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Many studies have shown that people who eat breakfast regularly are less likely to experience hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, which can be dangerous and lead to complications such as seizures or coma. A healthy breakfast can include a combination of protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Some examples of nutritious breakfast options for people with diabetes include whole grain toast with avocado, Greek yogurt with nuts and seeds, or scrambled eggs with vegetables. By eating a balanced meal in the morning, you can help keep your blood sugar levels steady and avoid making unhealthy food choices later in the day. It's also important to choose breakfast foods that are high in fiber and low in saturated and trans fats. Fiber-rich foods can help slow the digestion of carbohydrates and improve insulin sensitivity, while foods high in unhealthy fats can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of heart disease. Studies have also found that spending time outdoors can help reduce stress and improve mental health, which is important for overall well-being and diabetes management. Additionally, sunlight exposure can aid in regulating circadian rhythm, which affects sleep patterns and hormone release, including insulin. However, it's essential not to stay out in the sun for too long, as this can increase the risk of sunburn and skin damage. It's recommended to get 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight exposure in the morning, which is enough to help regulate vitamin D production without causing harm. People with diabetes should also take precautions when spending time outdoors, such as wearing sunscreen and protective clothing to protect against sunburn. Overall, incorporating some time in the sun each morning may be a simple yet effective way to support blood sugar control and overall health for those living with diabetes. When your body breaks down fat for energy, it produces molecules called ketones that can be detected in your urine. Testing for ketones can help you to know whether or not your blood sugar is being controlled properly, and if you're at risk of diabetic ketoacidosis, a potentially life-threatening complication of diabetes. Morning is the best time to test your urine for ketones, since they usually only present when your blood sugar has been high for an extended period of time, which is more likely to happen overnight. To test your urine for ketones, you can use a home testing kit. By following the instructions provided, you can collect a sample of your urine and add it to the testing strip. After waiting the recommended time, you can read the results and determine whether or not your ketone levels are within the normal range. If you notice that your ketone levels are high, it's important to take action quickly. Drink plenty of fluids and eat carbohydrates to raise your blood sugar levels. You should also contact your healthcare provider and follow their guidance. By monitoring your urine for ketones on a regular basis, you can help ensure that your diabetes is under control and that you're avoiding potential complications. If you find our videos helpful, please subscribe and support us. The first habit you need to start doing immediately is checking your feet. People with diabetes must check their feet daily for any cuts, blisters, or sores. This is because they are more vulnerable to these kinds of injuries due to high blood sugar levels, which may cause nerve damage and poor circulation. So when you get out of bed in the morning, take a few moments to inspect your feet thoroughly. Look between your toes as well as around the edges of your feet, where you may not be able to see as easily. If you notice anything unusual or concerning, such as a new cut or sore, then consult with your healthcare provider right away. They will be able to assess the situation and recommend the appropriate treatment options for you. Remember that even small injuries can become serious complications if left untreated, so it is important not to ignore any potential problems. Taking just a few minutes each day to examine your feet can make all the difference in preventing further issues down the road. The second habit that you need to start doing immediately is measuring your blood sugar level. Checking your blood glucose levels in the morning before breakfast is an important part of managing your diabetes. It helps you to understand how your body has responded to the food and activity during the previous day and provides valuable insight into what adjustments need to be made going forward. For example, if your blood sugar levels are higher than desired, it may be helpful to reduce carbohydrate intake or increase physical activity. On the other hand, if your levels are too low, consuming a snack or adjusting medication dosages may be necessary. By monitoring your blood sugar levels daily, you can gain a better understanding of the factors that affect them and make informed choices about your diet and lifestyle. Not only does this help keep your glucose within a healthy range, but it also allows you to identify potential problems early on, so they can be addressed promptly. Ultimately, taking the time each morning to measure your blood sugar is an investment in your long-term health and well-being. The third habit that you need to start doing immediately is testing your urine. The fourth habit that you need to start doing immediately is getting some sunlight. The fifth habit that you need to start doing immediately is drinking water. The sixth habit that you need to start doing immediately is eating breakfast. In conclusion, developing certain habits can significantly help people with diabetes manage their condition and maintain good health.